सो बजट 2025 आने के बाद बहुत सारे टैक्स पेयर्स को रिलीफ मिलने वाला है, बट उसके साथ साथ क्या आपको पता है कि आपको कुछ नए टैक्स चेंजेस के बारे में पता होना चाहिए। तो चलिए इस वीडियो में इसे एक्सप्लोर करते हैं। फर्स्ट इज द टैक्सेशन ऑन यूनिट लिंक्ड इंश्योरेंस प्लान, दैट इज यूलिप्स। एंड इफ वी टॉक अबाउट द प्रीमियम थ्रेशोल्ड, तो इफ द एग्रीगेट एनुअल प्रीमियम एक्सीड्स 2.5 lakh, then the maturity proceeds will be subject to capital gains tax. So ULIPs held for more than 12 months will be treated as long-term capital assets and taxed at 12.5%, aligning them with equity-oriented mutual funds. Second is extended timeline for updated income tax returns. तो updated returns file करने के लिए the period has been extended from 2 years to 4 years. And अगर इसमें additional tax की बात करें, so the additional tax payable varies based on the timing of the filing. Like within 1 year is 25%, within 2 years is 50%, within 3 years is 60%, and within 4 years is 70%. Third are some tax benefits on the NPS Vatsalya scheme. So this scheme was designed to support children or dependents with disabilities and now offers additional deductions. So parents and guardians can claim an additional deduction of up to 50,000 under section 80 CCD 1B. Fourth is the tax exemption on national savings schemes withdrawal. So withdrawals from the national savings schemes made on or after 29th August 2024 are now exempt from tax, including both principal amount and the interest accrued. Fifth is the simplified central KYC process. So a revamped KYC process has been proposed to streamline customer verification, allowing for one-time KYC completion usable across various financial services. And last are the changes in the TDS limits. So the budget has proposed some revisions on the TDS thresholds. For example, if we talk about the interest income, the TDS exemption limit on fixed deposit interest earned by senior citizen has been increased to 1 lakh and for non-senior citizens to 50,000. For rental income, the TDS threshold on rent has been raised to 6 lakh per annum. And for dividend income, it has been increased to 10,000 rupees. So, अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो आप सब्सक्राइब करिएगा, बिकॉज हम इस टाइप के इंफॉर्मेटिव वीडियोस एवरी वीक डालते हैं. एंड फॉर मोर फाइनेंस कंटेंट, यू कैन वॉच दिस.